What's going on, YouTube? Did you miss me? It's your guy, Mr. DCYOP. Listen, man, I got a lot of shit to promote, man. So I'm out here doing an impromptu photo shoot by myself at a secret location, but we're gonna get right into that right after my intro. So like I was saying, like what makes this spot like so ill, it's got like mad little areas where, you know, you could do like some just fly poses and like this like mad graffiti and like art just all over the place. Saying come through, make like some hip hop videos or what have you. It's just me and, you know, the camera right now. I got the iPhone 14 Pro Max jumping off. So we're gonna get some ill visuals. I'm gonna switch out. I'm saying I'm doing this Frosty joint right now. We're gonna switch out a few things and, you know, get it popping, get it cooking. Y'all know how I do. Let's get it. Everything I need. You know, got my bag packed. You know, just everything you need for like a photo shoot. Extra hats, extra clothes, so on and so forth. Give y'all some ill visuals. A little spooky in here, but we gonna make it do what it do. You know what I'm saying? Yo, this feel like some old school, like, and it's just one little area right here. This feel like some old school, you know what I'm saying, hit squad type shit. You know what I'm saying? Eric Sermon, Redman, all them, you know, Keith Murray. So as y'all can see, yo, the visuals coming out like official. Like I like that. This whole like little setup right here, like it's just ill. As far as like the artwork that came in here, got the, I'm saying, got the graffiti popping. So, you know, I'm just taking a few shots, y'all. I'm trying to figure out this whole, you know, new wave like TikTok shit and all that. You know what I'm saying? Your boy just trying to, you know, just stay up to speed. And this is an ill shot right here. About to get some flicks or, you know, just this new restricted joint just hanging. This abandoned building. You know, just trying to, you know, set the visuals. Make sure everything look right. Got that restricted joint. Make sure y'all follow my new restricted page as well. Alright. Yo, that shot came out wicked. Yo, that shot came out so fresh, man. So fresh, y'all. Look at that. Woo! It came out so fresh. Yo, this is art, man. Like, building these brands, man, it's not easy. I tell y'all all the time, you only gonna get out of this shit what you put into it, man. We gotta keep being creative. We gotta keep pushing ourselves. We gotta keep grinding. We gotta keep designing. Let's go. All right, let me finish this shoot up. And hopefully y'all follow me on Instagram. Hopefully y'all follow me on you know, TikTok, and y'all can actually see how everything came out, man. But like I always say, before this video ends, make sure y'all hit that thumbs up. Make sure y'all hit that bell notification so you'll never forget nothing. And if you're not, y'all better sign up for that Patreon, yo. I'm telling you, do not sleep on that Patreon. Let's go. Yo, it's mad dark in here. Alright. Some like straight piss. I'm saying homeless people probably live up in this joint. Alright, but we just gonna keep going. Alright, I want y'all to see. Let me turn the camera around. Y'all gotta see the magnitude of this shit. Check this out. Look. Look at this shit, look at this. Ew. So like I said, I'm gonna get some shots. Get some shots up in here. And we pretty much gonna be done for the day. All right. Mezzanine. I shot here before, but I just wanted to come revisit it. And yo, it ain't warm out either. It is cold, but I gotta do what I gotta do. It's like 33 degrees out here, but yo, when you're trying to build your brand and keep things going, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. So I'm here now. Let's get it. All right, yo, I'm back. Yo, it got wild cold out that joint, man. And my camera had died, so yo, it was a pretty successful shoot. I'm pleased with it. Make sure, like I said, make sure y'all follow me on TikTok at restricted. I think my TikTok name is still the same, Direction CYOP Garments. So follow me over there. Follow me on the new Restricted Garments Instagram channel. I put some pictures up over there. I put some of the video clips up over there that I took as well. You know, I just wanted to do that. I just wanted to do that real quick, you know, just to get some content and you know, pretty much keep pushing this restricted brand and just keep pushing, you know, every single last one of my clothing brands that I have. You know, more content, you know, content is king. You know what I'm saying? So that's just, you know, why I wanted to go out there and do that. If you're new to the channel, you know, pretty much what we're talking about right now is, you know, building these brands and, you know, doing any and everything, you know, in your power, you know, to set yourself apart, you know, from the rest and, you know, get some sales and, you know, just generate some growth and, you know, get some eyes, you know, on what you got going on. You know, if you've been following me, you know I got the new restricted hoodie on right now, titled "Used to Spread Love, Not War," and you know, the concept from that was pretty much that's one of my favorite songs via, you know, Mobb Deep. So I wanted to put something together, you know, to you know, to represent that because I like that whole, you know, saying. But you know, let me know how, you know, how it came out. I'm gonna leave. I might put some pics up on, you know, this video. Let me know if you're feeling it. Let me know if you're feeling the location, and you know, let's talk. If you like the design, if you don't like the designs, you know, speak on it. Leave it in the comments down below. Now, if you're new to the channel, you know, I pretty much, the way I work my brand is, you know, I sell what I could sell online, and then whatever left over, the majority of the time, you know, I'll make hand-to-hand deliveries in the local area of where I'm at, you know, to a certain extent of depending on how far, you know, the customer lives at or what have you. And then when I'm done with once I sell out of the specific design, I never restock. And I like it that way because, you know, I got a lot of ideas. I got a lot of designs. And once I put out these designs, man, once I start posting, if you like it, you better let me know immediately. I don't hold anything for anybody. Okay? Once they sell out, it's gone. Okay, you know, I get a lot of, oh man, you don't got my size and this and that, that's out. Yeah. Should have hopped on it immediately. You know what I'm saying? So the name of the game is, you know, you supply and you get rid of this shit. You don't want to be hanging on to it. You don't want to hold on to anything because it just takes up space. You know, I've been down that road before, having a whole bunch of inventory and stuff is just being stockpiled, and you know, I don't like that. You know, I like to have like a lot of space where I'm working at. All right, so that's pretty much it for this one, y'all. So shit came out fire, man. The picture's fire. I left some information down below. If you got a brand, you looking for somebody, to review your brand. All the details is down below. Hit me up, send me a message. I'll let you know what you got to do as far as me having a piece of your garments in hand and me using my platform to review what y'all got going on. All right. I got the address down below where you can send me something. Just DM me. We'll get it done. Okay. What I got coming up next is I'm going back into, everything else as far as We Major, as far as me Frosty, as far as Unfamous, DCYOP, all that, man. All that. It's just, we just gotta juggle everything. But I'm pretty pleased with, everything restricted, how everything been coming out. As you can see right here, I got the embroidery on the front left and front right. Got the custom heart shape patch on the sleeve, with the restricted design that I came up with on the back. Yo, watch your boy. Watch how I've been moving lately. My visuals are top notch now. I'm taking everything to that next level. So make sure you follow me on TikTok and Instagram, just to reiterate that, man. I'm telling you, because I'm coming hard body with these visuals. Hard body. All right? That's it. Like I say all the time, I hope y'all working hard on y'all brands, because I am. Skid it.
The message is always in the cloth, the colors, the designs, the fit. Basically, pay attention, stay alert, and remember, choose your own path.